Hey everyone, welcome back! Like I mentioned in my last video, today I want to cook okonomiyaki. When I was in Japan, I cooked this together with my host family and it was really delicious. So my host mom recommended me to buy this special okonomiyaki flour to recreate it at home. Today I want to give it a try. Let's get started! While shopping for the ingredients at the Japanese supermarket, I couldn't resist grabbing a few other Japanese treats as well. I picked up some dango, which are sweet rice dumplings on a skewer, some incredibly sour pickled plums called umeboshi, and a pack of furikake, a delicious savory rice seasoning. On the back of the okonomiyaki flour package, you can find the instruction how to cook it. It's written for 100 grams of flour, but since I want to make the whole pack, which is 400 grams, I'm multiplying all the ingredients by 4. First, I need to finely cut 1.2 kilograms of cabbage. In Tokyo, there is a similar famous dish called monjayaki. It uses almost the same ingredients like cabbage and flour, but the ratio is completely different. It uses way more liquid dashi broth. When it hits the grill, it doesn't form a solid pancake like okonomiyaki. Instead, it stays fluid, sticky and beautiful gooey. Next, I'm mixing the flour with 600 milliliters of water until it's smooth. Then, the cabbage, 8 eggs, and whatever extra ingredients you like go into the bowl. For mine, I'm adding fresh green onions and some cheese. Did you know? Okonomi means as you like and yaki means grilled or fried. So it's basically the ultimate comfort food because you can put whatever you want into it. In case you're interested about the history of this dish, it goes back to the post-war area in Japan. Food was incredibly scarce back then, especially rice. However, wheat flour was distributed as aid, so people started mixing it with water and lots of cheap cabbage to create a meal that was both filling and nutritious. Once everything is gently folded together, it goes straight into the pan. I layered some bacon on top while it cooks. We want to fry it until it's beautiful and golden brown on both sides. After flipping it over, put a lid on the pan. This keeps the okonomiyaki super fluffy and moist inside. When it's finally done, it gets topped with special okonomiyaki sauce and savory bonito flakes. The toppings can be changed as well. Usually, it's also topped with mayonnaise. Thank you so much for joining me in this cooking session today. Would you like to see me try out more Japanese recipes in the future? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Mata ne!